Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rajiniko Sutamto with student ID number 123490044 from Instrumentation and Automation Engineering Study Program at Sumatra Institute of Technology. On this occasion, I will explain the pneumatic and hydraulic practical module that I completed last week, titled Application of PLC Timers in a Pneumatic System. Every practicum has a learning objective, and this model is no exception. The learning objectives are 1. To understand the working principle of timer on delay, off delay, and pulse in automation system. 2. To apply PLC timers to regulate the working sequence of pneumatic actuator, single or double working cylinder. 3. To train student ability to read and create ladder diagram based on timers. This module has general question that must be answered by student after completing the module practicum, including the following question. First, what is the function of timer on the PLC in a pneumatic system? 2. Explain the difference between TON, timer on delay, and TOF, timer off delay. Before answering the two questions above, I will explain what a timer is in a PLC. A timer in a PLC is an internal instruction used to provide a time delay or set the duration of an active output according to system requirement. This timer works like a digital stopwatch that runs after the input condition is met. Key characteristic of PLC timers. First, software-based operation. Timer exists as instruction in the program and are not physical hardware component. 2. Time-based resolution. Depending on the PLC manufacturer, the timer can operate with different resolution. 3. Non-blocking execution. Timer run in a parallel with the scan cycle, meaning the PLC continues executing other logic while the timer count. 4. Status bits enable bit become true when the timer instruction is active. 5. Timing bit true while the timer is still counting. 6. Down bit true when the accumulated value equals or exceeds the preset value. Returning to the first question, what is the function of a timer on a PLC in a pneumatic system? A timer in PLC is used to control the time sequence, delay, dwell, timeout, or pulse of pneumatic actuator, solenoid valve, or cylinder, so motion occurs in the correct order, safely and consistently. Since pneumatic involve mechanical delay and fluid dynamics, compressibility, or flow resistance, timers are often combined with sensor, such as a limit switch or proximity, for synchronization and protection. Why timers are important in pneumatics? First, delay due to fluid dynamics. Valve switching and cylinder movement are not instantaneous. Timer ensures stable operation. 2. Prevent overlap or collision. Avoid two cylinders moving at the same time if it causes interference. 3. Dwell time. Holding the cylinder extend or retract for a fixed duration. 4. Timeout or fault detection. If a cylinder doesn't reach a sensor with a set time, it will stop and warn alarm. 5. Sensor debounce. Filtering bouncing signal from the mechanical limit switch. Second question. Explain the difference between TON, timer on delay, and TOF, timer off delay. First, timer on delay, TON. TON is a timer that provides a delay before the output becomes active after the input receives an on signal. How it works? When the input trigger changes to on, the timer starts The timer starts counting time from 0 to preset time. As long as the time has not been reached, the output remains off. Once the time reaches preset time, the output changes to on. If the input gives if the input goes off before the time is complete, the timer resets back to 0. The output remains off. Timer on delay timer timer on delay characteristic. Delay active output. Automatic reset if the input goes off before the count is complete. Commonly used to prevent sudden start. Application example of a timer on delay is motor start delay. Large motor usually do not start immediately, but after a few seconds to allow the electrical current to stabilize. After that, we have TOF, timer of delay. TOF or timer of delay is a timer that provides a delay before the output turns off after the input receives an off signal. How it works: when the input is on, the output turns on immediately without waiting for the timer. When the input is off, the timer starts counting down 0 to preset time. The output remains on while the timer is counting. When the time reaches preset time, the output turns off. Top characteristic: the output turns off after a delay. The timer only operates when the input is off. The output remains active until the countdown is complete. Application example. Application example of a TOF is a cooling fan. After the engine is turned off, the cooling fan continues to run for 10 seconds to dissipate the heat. In this module, we have an example of ladder PLC. We can create this ladder PLC on a text program. In this text program, I finished create the ladder diagram, ladder PLC. I will explain it. We add on and off with 0.000.00 is address on a PLC. After that is a 0.01 is addressed to on PLC with this W 0.00. This close contact with name T0001 is a close contact for timer backward, and this PLC instruction with command team 000. Team is for timer, 000 is for the address on PLC, and 50 is a value. After that, this 0.02 is a PB backward, and T0000 is a timer on, and this PLC instruction with command with sentence team 0001. Team is for timer and 0001 is address on PLC with hashtag 50 is a value. We can simulate this run. If we set this to on, it will go to W0.00 and W0.00 is continue to this T0001 with a timer backward. After that, go to the PLC instruction. In this PLC instruction, if the timer goes to 0, the solenoid valve go to extend from the position start. After the valve is extend, it's go to this BB backward. If we set this to on, it goes to this PLC instruction. When the timer is go to 0, the valve is retracted to its position from the start. And then in this sentence below, it's a automatic process from timer countdown to extend the valve. After the timer countdown to retracted the valve, we can see uh, timer to 0, valve is extend. This timer to 0, the valve is retracted. This process is looping cycle. Uh, that's enough from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.